Welcome back to our channel, Nick and Helmi. I hope you guys enjoyed the first Filipino food in Sydney. The link is up here if you haven't watched it. But today we're gonna try the delicious Filipino dessert. So we're gonna get Christine again. There you go.
Hi! Thanks for having me back.
Yes. So we're gonna have a very nice Filipino dessert. So it's whole day, right?
All day.
All day dessert. Why not? So let's go down and get our hands dirty. So now we are in Donut Papi.
Yes, Donut Papi is like the raised place of modern Filipino desserts, and it's home to the #1 personal favorite of mine, Ube and Pandan donuts. Which is really exciting because you can't get those anywhere else in Sydney. So I'm so excited for you guys to see and try. Okay, Kenneth, can you tell us a little bit about your Filipino inspiration behind your amazing donuts?
Yeah, sure. I just wanted to share Filipino flavors such as ube and pandan in a donut forms. I guess no one has done it before in Sydney, and I just wanted to share our flavors out in the world.
All right, Helmi, you ready to get dirty with some donuts?
Sure.
Here we go. Here we've got the ube and pandan donuts from Donut Papi. Classic Filipino flavors, and I think we should start with the ube first.
Yeah.
All right,
Ube is actually my favorite because it's like the sister of taro,
Yes.
but much nicer, guys. So you gotta try ube. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, it's oozing out. The ube. You know, it's not that strong, and then, well, the donut is basically a fried donut with some sugar coating on it. Look at my hands, dirty. Ooh, God.
Oh my god. It's so good. If you guys have never tried ube before, as Helmi said, it's very similar to taro, but it's got like a darker color, which you can see. Some people say it tastes a little bit like white chocolate, it's got notes of vanilla, it's quite nutty. But if you've never tried it before, you really have to give it a go. If you've never had pandan before, it's also known as screw pine, and some people say it's like the vanilla of Southeast Asia.
Ooh, I actually love the panda. It tastes like vanilla. It is vanilla of Southeast Asia. And then the donut is very fluffy, very spongy. Because usually pandan is quite strong, but this is like very subtle and very nice, very sweet. Really complement the donut.
Alright, thank you so much for joining us again. Here we are at Marrickville's Lazza, and we're going to try some really delicious Filipino desserts yet again. Today we're going to try Turon with homemade ube ice cream.
Ooh, I can't wait. Let's go.
Let's go! So the interesting thing about the Turon here at Lazza is they actually have Ube Halaya inside the Turon, which is really interesting. So Ube Halaya is like an ube jam. I must admit I've not eaten it like that before, but I'm really excited to try it because it's a really great flavor pairing.
And also they have the jackfruit inside, right?
Yes, a
Wow.
very key ingredient of Turon is the jackfruit. So you can see they've also paired it with some lovely strips of jackfruit here and more Ube Halaya on the plate. So it's a real Filipino fusion dish.
Okay, I'm just gonna have some halaya, ube
Yes.
halaya. Okay, isn't it too much?
Oh no, that's perfect. Okay, let's go. If you have a close look, you can see that there's really lovely caramelized brown sugar on the outside of the Turon, which gives the banana spring rolls really good crunch.
Wow. You got this bittersweet feeling, just like in a relationship, you know? Really fresh jackfruit, you can feel it. But what I like to do is also add some ube ice cream here. I just want to change a little bit of the dish here, just add some ube ice cream. This is going to be interesting because it's hot, but then the ube ice cream is really cold. Oh my god. You've got to try this with some ube ice cream on top. It just makes the whole dish completely different because everything here in the Turon is hot and fresh, but then the ube ice cream on top is cold. I guess in the Philippines it's always hot You know, and so when you have the ube ice cream on top, it's just a perfect combination to eat Turon with.
Okay guys, so next up we've got the Buko Shake. Now in the Philippines, it's always hot, it's always humid, and third of all, we love our coconuts. What do we make? Sweet, delicious coconut drink with ice cream on top, and then it's served with makapuno, which are young coconut strings in a sweet syrup. It's really nice because they've actually put little pieces of coconut in the drink itself. So when you get it, you get these really nice little coconut textures, which are really, really refreshing.
We got basically the vanilla ice cream, and we got the coconut strings right there, and also the shaved ice, and also the coconut itself with the coconut water. Oh my god, this is really good. Just imagine it's summer, 30 degrees by the beach. It's just island life.
Welcome back guys, we're just at the back kitchen of Sizzling Philo with Chef Nina and Helmi, and we're just about to taste my favorite Filipino dessert. It's Leche Flan. Leche Flan! And so leche means milk, flan means cake, and it's amazing Spanish-inspired Filipino sweet creamy treat. I can't wait to try it with you.
Okay, so I have about 2 tablespoons of sugar. And you just pretty much melt it in the good idea. Right, yeah. As long as you just keep moving it around. It's all ready.
Katakata is not usually my favorite.
Like yolks. So, you know, when you're doing maybe add the evaporated milk. Vanilla essence, about 1 teaspoon. So just try to get rid of all of it. Then you just cover it and steam it for about 45 minutes to an hour.
Let's try.
Let's do this.
Oh, yum. Oh my god.
It's like Christmas came early. Christmas ball.
Messy. Messy is good. Oh, Chef Nina. It's so smooth, it's so creamy. There's no bubbles in the custard. It's like eating silk.
You're the best.
You're
oh
the
my
best,
god.
Chef Nina.
You're the best. So with Filipino, everything is ube.
Everything is
and you can basically make traditional ube style or basically Western intake ube style. So now we basically have the ube panna cotta. Look at that. Basically with panna cotta, how you know it's great? By jiggling, jiggling, jiggling. Look at this. You can see this is good panna cotta.
Wow. It looks so creamy.
So the butterscotch sauce is actually quite sweet. It's very sweet. But then the panna cotta itself, very light, very subtle. So it's sort of married together.
It really is a complete dish. You've got the halaya, the sauce, the panna cotta itself,
Yeah.
and when you pair them together, you get like the light flavor of the ube with the caramel, kind of highlights that flavor. So it's not too sweet, not too savory. It's just an excellent bite.
So first stop in Ruti Hill is Mama Lor.
Come here and you can get a taste of Filipino pastries and baked goods like ensaymada, pandesal, and sansrival.
So now we are in the kitchen of Mama Lor, and Chef Carl has kindly enough to give us some sansrival. So what is sansrival?
Sansrival is a typical Filipino cake. It is made with meringue, cashews, French buttercream. It's simply delicious. I can't wait to try it. Shall we have a look?
Yes, let's go. It's so hard to cut it. Oh, okay, there you go. Cheers.
Cheers. So good. You've got the crispy meringue layers, the soft French buttercream, which is really nice and sweet, but light at the same time.
It's
rich.
not that sweet, like I can feel the buttercream. Usually buttercream is super rich, you know, and then you can taste. But this one is really subtle, really light, and it complements the meringue as well. It's
Perfectly.
really nice. Yeah.
And you get the nuttiness at the end, which is really beautiful. It's just an amazing combination of flavors.
Alright, so we are now in Kamiya, which is like a few doors down from Mama Lor, and Christine's told me this is one of the best places to get some traditional Filipino dessert. What's the one that we're gonna try, Christine?
I'm very excited to try Taho and Buko, tofu dessert and a coconut rice cake. Delicious.
Oh my god, I am excited. Let's go check it out. Go. Just ordered our Taho right in front of us here. We got some sago and also some sugar syrup here. So we're just gonna mix it together. So let's do this. I can smell the vanilla there. It's a bit sweet in smell because they have a little bit of vanilla syrup in the Taho there.
That's right. Pearls.
Yeah.
Which is just nice to give it some texture as well.
And some sugar syrup, perfect.
Delicious. It's so good. I love the tofu itself is not too sweet.
No, it's not. It's like a normal tofu here, so there's a bit of kind of like a bitterness to it.
Yeah.
Now the sago itself is actually very, very soft, almost like it dissolves in your mouth,
Yeah,
like
it
instantly.
melts in your mouth.
Yeah. No, like usually a pearl is very big. This is very, very small, very, very tiny. Look at that. That's super small.
It's a typical street food that you'd find in the Philippines, and you'd have it in between meals. In between all our very big, large, delicious meals, there's always a reason to eat more in the Philippines.
That's right. That is delicious, guys. Delicious. Really, really good. Good job, Filipinos.
Masarap na masarap.
Masarap na masarap. There you go. Forgot to say that. And we also have Buko right here, which is glutinous rice cake. Look at that. Ooh.
So good. I'm really excited for you guys to have a look at this one. This is a cake that my mum used to make for me when I was a little girl. And the thing that's the most special about it is you cook a coconut caramel by slowly combining coconut milk and sugar and cooking it until it's nice and thick and then pouring it all over the top. It's delicious.
Okay, let's
I'll wait
try
for you,
this.
Nick.
Oh, this is a challenge.
It's okay, you're burning calories.
Oh my god, dude, it's so sticky.
What it tastes like at home. Now, you could almost say that this is healthy because it's vegan and gluten-free, so almost anyone can eat it.
That's right. You can really taste the caramel. Really sticky, really chewy though. But this reminds me of home. We actually got something like this back home in Indonesia. Actually, I forget the name of it. What's the name of it, Helmi?
It's called ketan kelapa. Ketan means sticky rice, kelapa means coconut. Now the last dessert place is called A-Team's Kitchen. No Bradley Cooper though.
But there is Iskrambol, and we're about to try some. Come on. So we've got Iskrambol, which is another sweet treat. It's nice and icy. It's got milk powder on top, chocolate syrup, and banana flavor as well. You ready to try?
Yes. So this one is called Iskrambol, right?
Iskrambol, that's right. Oh goodness.
Oh,
Bit messy,
wow.
like all the best desserts in life.
I can taste the banana extract and also the vanilla. And also the powder on top of the milk powder tastes really good, and it's the chocolate syrup. Who doesn't love chocolate syrup?
It tastes exactly like a banana puddle pop if you've ever had one of those before. It's a bit strange because it's pink and it's white and it's brown, but it tastes like a banana puddle pop. It's really addictive. We've eaten so much today, but I still want to keep eating it. You know, it's good.
Refreshing.
So refreshing.
You guys just destroyed that. Look at that.
So thank you so much, Christine, for accompanying us with this dessert tour heaven.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe, punch the like button, and also turn on the bell notification. So which one is your favorite dessert? Comment below. And also, do we miss anything? Comment below as well. And do you think we should do another Filipino food? Comment below as well. See you next week.
Maraming salamat and ingat. Thank you and take care.